continue with step 71 from where we left off. Okay. All right. So with step 71, we want to target the elements with the ID triangles using an ID selector. Okay. So I'll write hash and say triangles. Then let's set the width to 250 pixels. Let's set the height to 550 pixels. Let's set the, that's it. Now create a class selector for the element with the class triangle. So I'll say dot. It's a class, so I'll use dot triangles. Triangles. Let's set the width to 0. Let's set the height to 0. Sorry, it should be triangle, singular. Also, style the border of your triangle element. So we'll do border style and we'll say solid, and we'll do border width and we'll say 42 pixels, 45 pixels, 42 and 0. Okay. Now give your triangle elements the correct color. Set the border top color. So first is, let me be careful and do this right. So border top color, let's set it to transparent. Let's do border bottom color, transparent. Let's do border left color. Let's set that to transparent as well. And then we'll do border right color and we'll set it to gold. Okay, great. So now, as you can see, we have our first set of triangles. All right, so adjust the triangle element with a display of inline block. So I'll just say display inline block. Okay, so now, as you can see, we have our triangles nicely displayed here for us. So this is it. We are making a whole lot of progress. All right, so use an ID selector for guitar. So now let's start building the guitar. So I will say hash guitar. Okay. I'll say set width to 100%, height to 100 pixels. Okay. And I'll say set the position to guitar. No, to absolute. Top to 120 pixels and then left to 0. Let's also give the guitar a Z index of 3. Okay, so the higher the Z index, the more like on top the elements will be. Okay, so if one element has a Z index of 1, and another element has a z index of 3, the element with the z index of 3 will appear on top of the element with the z index of 1. Now use a class selector to target guitar. So I'll say guitar, and this will style the two halves of the guitar. Remember, when we were creating the guitar, we did left and then right. So we're going to set the width to 150 pixels. Let's set the height to 120 pixels. Let's set the background color to golden rod, and let's set the border radius to 50%. Okay, so now we have our guitar shape here, the two shapes of the guitar here. All right. Now let's select guitar left. So the one with the ID of guitar left, we'll say guitar left, and let's set the position to absolute. Let's set left to 0. Yeah. Okay, so we'll end here for this one, and we'll continue in the next one. So the next video is going to be the last video in this playlist. We are almost there. Let's continue. See you in the next one.